Hi, I'm Holly Pike. If you'd like a trial of the Generation software that I use for digitizing, please visit trygenerations.com. This video is a recording of a live video I did for my previous students. You may hear references to You Can Digitize or YCD. That's my old website that is now closed. My new website is digitizingschool.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Couple more things about Redwork while y'all are working. Remember, if you make a mistake, if you start and you're working and you get your line out here, it's okay. Just hit backspace. Just hit backspace and it'll remove that little guy that you put in. If you put it in over here accidentally, or you get it over here, or you get a left click instead of a right click, just use your backspace. It's just that easy to correct it. Okay? Not hard. Just keep working. You don't need a lot of points in here. The tighter the curve, the more clicks you want. These are just shape nodes is all they are. I'm just going to keep working around slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Double left click. If you double right click, it's all going to go away. So make sure you're double left clicking. Always start from an existing line if you can. Work your way around. Left click on the sharp points. Just like coloring when you were a kid, right? Just like coloring. Okay, very good. Okay, so remember, right click is a sharp point, left click is a curve. Always start from an existing line if you can and go out from there. It will help you. If you make a mistake, use your backspace. It'll take out the last click or the last node that you put in.